Hi y'all, I'm truck driver Linda. Welcome to Semi Living, where we're not zombies. Today, we're probably gonna make something really, really yummy, but not brains. Let's make some teriyaki sauce. Plug in your lunchbox, let it preheat. Get your pan in there. In my pan, I added a cup of water to it already. Well, I needed hot water. Best way to do it, as your lunchbox is preheating, add a cup of water to your pan, and I covered it with foil to get my water hot. It'll make it makes the whole thing go quicker if you already have hot water to make your teriyaki sauce with. All right. Whew, it's a little warm. Okay. Super duper easy. 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar. And mine is packed. If you don't have dark brown sugar on your truck, you can use light brown sugar. The color will be a little different, but it's not going to make that much of a difference. You need 2 tablespoons of honey. Now I'm using raw honey, but you use whatever honey you have on the truck. Add 2 tablespoons of mock soy sauce. A 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. For now, that's all you have to add. We're gonna add some cornstarch after it gets hot again to thicken it up. Cover it back up and pinch it down. Put it back in your lunchbox. Let it get hot again. If you're wondering what mock soy sauce is, go right here. I highly recommend it. If you don't want to use the mock soy sauce, add just regular soy sauce, low sodium. Y'all cut that sodium down. While that's heating, I've got another 1/4 cup of water. Turn you down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to it. Mix it up. Just set it aside. When we check that, we're going to add the cornstarch to it in about 5 minutes. Give it a little check. It's a little bit hot. I don't know if you can see it. It's got a little steam coming off of it. Stir it up again. I'm going to take the cornstarch and the water and add it. Add it, stir it. Close it back up again. That's going to take probably 10 minutes. But I'm going to check it in 5 minutes. I want to stir it every 5 minutes until it gets to the thickness that I want it, so it doesn't get lumpy. Oh, yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect. Can y'all see it? Let me adjust the camera a little better. There we go. There we go. It's perfect. Yay. Okay. That's done. The only thing I'm going to do now, and this is going to be optional, is I'm going to add a teaspoon of sesame seeds. Some salt and pepper to taste. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Should we give it a taste? Oh. It's perfect. All right, y'all. That's all I got for today, because I'm about to make some meatballs. We're going to have teriyaki meatballs. It's going to be a separate video. Y'all have to watch it separate. If you just like to have teriyaki sauce around, you can make this, put it in a bowl with a lid, and store it in your fridge up to 5 days. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe. We have lots more recipes coming. Share, comment, and we will see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.